Are you wondering how to create short videos with an AI clone that look and sound exactly like you? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. And I'll be honest, if you head over to the short section on my YouTube channel or even my TikTok account, about 90% of these videos are my AI clone and not actually me talking. So I'm going to play a quick example so you can see what this looks like. Did you know you can now use DeepSeek R1 in other AI tools? Perplexity recently integrated R1 into its Pro searches, meaning you don't have to visit DeepSeek's website anymore if you're not bad, right? Now, I do have an editor that I outsource to add all those nice sound effects and the subtitles and whatnot, but to get the raw clone video is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, so be sure to stick around for the entire video. And if this happens to be your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I'm using for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this in the video description or pinned comment below. Now, inside my community on School, one of my members recently asked me, well, Ryan, you already have a tutorial showing us how to create long form clone videos, which, by the way, I'll leave a link to this in the video description below. So he said, why don't you make a tutorial showing us how to create short form videos? So that was the inspiration behind this tutorial. And if you want more information on my community, you can find that in the video description below as well. So the very first step to creating short form clone videos is the ideation component, figuring out what exactly these videos are going to be about. And they could be about anything. But what I recommend that you do is actually repurpose long form videos that you've already created and use your AI clone to chop that up into shorts. So what do I mean by this? Well, on my channel, I have a ton of listicle style videos, top 10 AI tools for marketing, 5 notebook LM hacks, 7 ChatGPT hacks. So we'll use this one as an example. What I would want to do with my clone is make 7 short videos for each ChatGPT hack that I mentioned in this long form video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this and I'm going to fetch the transcript. So if you don't know how to do this, scroll down, click the description, scroll down and click show transcript. And on the right hand side, we now have our transcript. So I'm actually going to go ahead and copy this so I can use it for the next step. So scroll down and copy the entire transcript. And that's the very first step, is figuring out what videos, what long form videos we want to repurpose into the short form clips. The next step is using an AI tool like ChatGPT or Claude to come up with the short form video scripts. And I'd recommend using a custom GPT or a project in order to do this. That way you can train it on your writing style, your tone, give it custom directions, etc. So on here, I have my own custom GPT called the Video Script Creator. You can find this in the video description below, but I'd recommend creating your own. That way you can train it on your own data and your own voice. And so what I have here is a conversation starter ready to go. When I provide a topic and details, craft a 45 to 60 second video script that aligns with my style and audience. So here it's saying perfect, ready when you are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide the topic. Let's do 7 ChatGPT hacks. And then what I'm going to say is, based on my transcript, create 7 short form video scripts for each ChatGPT hack that I mention. And then what I'm going to do is simply paste in that entire transcript. And I'm going to click enter and skip ahead when this part is done. All right, so this custom GPT came back with 7 different short form video scripts like I instructed, one for each ChatGPT hack as seen in the long form YouTube video. Now, the first thing I would do is I would read through this quickly to make sure that it sounds good, it sounds like you. Make sure you're fine tuning this and not just copying and pasting it into the next step, which is ElevenLabs. Now, ElevenLabs is an AI text to speech generator. There are other tools like this out there, but the big selling point with ElevenLabs is the professional voice clone. I have yet to find a text-to-speech generator that has as good of outputs as ElevenLabs when it comes to sounding just like me. And in order to do this, you must be on their creator plan, which starts at $11 for the first month, and then it's $22 a month after that. I will leave a link to this in the video description below if you want to get started with ElevenLabs. And then once you have, or maybe you already have an ElevenLabs account, what you want to do is right from the home screen, just click instant speech. And I'm going to delete what's already here. And so then what we would do is, let's use this first one as an example. I'm going to copy and paste this first video script into ElevenLabs. And by the way, make sure again that this sounds good, because you will run out of ElevenLabs credits the more we try to generate speeches and make little edits here and there. So make sure to just reread this before you go ahead and click generate speech. One other quick tip, using ElevenLabs is it sounds better if you have bigger blocks of paragraphs. These are just some things that I'm learning along the way. And so what we're going to do is we want to make sure that my Ryan Dozer AI voice clone is selected. And by the way, I have a separate tutorial showing you how to create an AI voice clone or a professional voice clone. So I'll leave all the recommended tutorials in the video description below. That way you guys aren't lost on how to do any of this stuff. And so here is my script inside ElevenLabs. Once this looks good, I'm going to click generate speech. And so let's give this a quick listen so you can see what this sounds like. If you're still using one-sentence prompts in ChatGPT, your results are probably garbage. Here's the fix. Use ChatGPT. Sounds a lot like me. Now, it isn't perfect, but it's extremely close in my opinion. So if this sounds good, what you want to do, well, first of all, what you want to do is make sure that this is under 60 seconds long. I almost forgot that step, because on YouTube Shorts, for instance, right, anything above 60 seconds won't be flagged as a short. It'll be flagged as a long form video, and that's not what we want for this example. So we want to make sure that this is under 60 seconds, which it is. It's 43 seconds. Then I'm going to click download. And that's going to download the MP3 file of this generated text to speech. So I'm going to drag that off to my desktop here. I'm going to be using that on the next step. One thing I'd recommend you do is just kind of rename this. So I'm going to do, let's rename this file. Let's do ChatGPT hack example. And so now what we want to do, that we have the MP3 file, is we need to use an AI avatar solution, and I recommend using HeyGen for that. Again, I have a link for HeyGen in the description below as well. What you want to do with HeyGen is you want to create a digital avatar. Again, you can find the relevant tutorials showing you how to set this all up. But once you have your avatars created, you're going to click avatars on the left-hand side. Click this one right here, and then here are all of my different avatars. And so what I'm going to do in this example, I'm going to just use my most recent one. I'm going to click the look that I want. I'm going to hover over create with AI Studio. Then I'm going to click portrait. Portrait's going to be that vertical format for short form video. Then what I'm going to do is kind of drag this so my head is centered in the camera or the video lens here. And then what I want to do is click script on the left-hand side, click upload audio, click upload local audio, and then here is that MP3 file that I got from ElevenLabs a moment ago. So I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this is uploaded. All right, so after the MP3 file from ElevenLabs has uploaded, the very first thing I want to do is get rid of this filler audio that HeyGen likes to throw in there at the beginning. The other quick thing you have to do is shrink down the video length so it matches the audio length. Just a few little quick tips there I've learned using HeyGen along the way. Then what you want to do is click submit, and I'm going to name it ChatGPT hack example so we can find that, and then leave all of this as is and make sure the HeyGen watermark is off, and I'm going to click submit. And now this is going to generate my short video. So I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this is complete. So I forgot to say, while this is processing in the background, what I would recommend you do is actually start to do the same thing for those other video scripts. So here's my second video script. You can copy and paste that, come over to ElevenLabs, paste it in here, make sure it looks good, click generate speech, and start to download those MP3 files on the side of your desktop. That way, while certain videos are being processed in HeyGen, we can start doing the exact same process for multiple clone videos. So I wanted to call that out while this is processing. All right, so here's the final output from HeyGen right here. It's 43 seconds long. Go ahead and click on it. I'd recommend playing it just to see if it looks okay. So let's do that really quick. If you're still using one-sentence prompts in ChatGPT, your results are probably garbage. Here's the fix. So I don't like this avatar as much as I like some of my other ones, but again, this is just trial and error with this whole process. So let's say I like this. The next step you want to do is click download, then click download again, and then this will download the MP4 file of that short video. And I'm going to go ahead and drag that off to my desktop. Now, what you would want to do is obviously download all the different short videos that you have inside HeyGen. And what I would recommend doing is collecting a folder of these short videos and then outsourcing it to an editor to make it look nice, like you see here on my channel with the YouTube shorts and the TikToks, to add those engaging subtitles, the video footage, the B-roll footage in the background, the music, etc., just to make this look good, because just a clone video without any other elements to it is not going to do very well on these social platforms, just from experience. So I'd recommend using this process as just to get those raw short videos with your AI clone, and then either doing it yourself if you're well versed in video editing, or outsourcing it to someone to make it look nice. So that's my high level tutorial of how you can generate short videos using an AI clone. Again, I have all the other reference links and tutorials that you can find in the video description below for more details. And if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. If you found value, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, also leave me a comment below. I want to hear your guys' thoughts on this whole AI video clone process. And lastly, if you want to take your AI skills and knowledge to the next level, I'd recommend joining my AI Marketing Insiders community. You can find a link for this in the video description below. This is a no BS community for marketers, content creators, and business owners who are looking to better leverage AI. And inside this community, I have about $1,000 worth of course material that's included in the monthly subscription fee, my AI Beginners Bootcamp, my Marketing Essentials course. I have a prompts database. I also do weekly live Q&A calls for an hour every week. That's your opportunity to pick my brain with any questions that you have. And this is also just an amazing networking opportunity to meet other like-minded individuals who want to improve their skills with AI. So again, if you want to become an AI marketing insider, you can find the link for this in the video description below. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.